A not guilty verdict absolved a Border Patrol agent of shooting an unarmed 16-year-old Mexican boy in the back. 16 bullets in the back.
Oh my
But it was all
God.
justified according to this jury. In October 2012, Agent Lonnie Schwartz shot 16 rounds through the border fence. He wasn't even in the United States of America.
He was shooting through
the fence. From Nogales, Arizona into Sonora, Mexico. 10 bullets were found in 16-year-old Jose Rodriguez's back and the head. Schwartz's defense was that Rodriguez was throwing rocks. Jose's grandmother, Tide Elena, lived mostly on the U.S. side of the border, cleaning houses to support this 16-year-old child and his family back in Mexico. Nobody was looking into this until she went to her former employer, who was then a district judge in Arizona by the name of Roberto Montiel. And then it took still 2.5 years for this guy to be indicted. Now, there have been 97 documented killings by Border Patrol agents of people on the border, non-U.S. citizens on the border, since 1997. Only 3 times out of those 97 killings has an agent actually even been brought to trial.
Wow.
A report by the American Immigration Council found that over 95% of the alleged misconduct complaints filed at the Customs and Border Patrol between January 2012 and October 2015 resulted in no action taken. Now, what happens is this, okay, from a legal perspective, okay, you cannot get a federal judge or a federal prosecutor. A lawyer can't get they can bring a case to that, but ultimately it's up to the federal prosecutor to bring charges against somebody. Okay. Now, that doesn't mean that this, that's it.
Right.
You can file a claim under the Federal Torts Claims Act, wait 6 months for the government not to do anything, and then sue them. You can sue the government for his loss of life.
Right.
You can also sue that particular agent.
Okay,
and bankrupt that agent. It's called the Bivens Act. Bivens action. So you can sue the agent, you can sue the government in a federal civil action. Now maybe that brings you justice, maybe it doesn't.
Yeah.
Okay, so even though 95% of the misconduct complaints don't end up in any action taken against the agent or in any action in terms of criminal proceedings against that particular agent, you always have the right to go hire a private attorney and sue the government for money.
Right.
Maybe that's justice, maybe it's not.